Well guys, it's about that time, and about that time we take a look at the 2018 Subaru WRX STI and what we actually think about it, and is it a good car to buy compared to the others in the market? Let's check it out in this quick look. I know it's been forever. I feel like I've been trying to do a video on one of these, but I just haven't honestly come across one, even though there's a lot of them in the area. So here we have the 2018 STI. Now obviously I'm a big Subaru guy, so you guys know all about the 2.5 liter boxer motor making 305 horsepower, about 300 pound-feet of torque. You know, this is kind of an old recipe that they keep doing over and over and over again, and Subaru has gotten a lot of flack for it, especially with this new iteration of the car, because really it's kind of the same car with just suspension tweaks and things like that. So they haven't honestly really made too many, I feel, improvements with this car over the years of, say, even like a 2008 STI. Sure, does this one handle a little bit better? Sure, does it have some more modern interior features? Of course. And this one here, you do have the screen in the middle. Obviously, this is a 6-speed. Great transmission in these cars, by the way. This one is fitted with the Recaro option seat. Actually, I think they're standard. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure they're standard. Oddly enough, yeah, those are the same door handles that are in mine, so there's that. But overall, it definitely is an improvement. The stuff does feel pretty nice in here. The seats are fairly comfortable, but they're pretty wide. The bolsters on them are, I'm a smaller guy, obviously, so that doesn't really count, but they're pretty wide, so there's that. But yep, overall, not too bad, guys. The transmission feel in this car is very, very nice. That they have hit the nail on the head with. We got some cup holders, that's good. And this one does have the heated seats, so there is also that. So you do get quite a few options. So they are trying, but is it enough is the question. So the interior of the STI does have the nice red stitching here. This is very soft. The back seats, really nice actually. This is a really nice fabric. The leather looks really good. The black and red looks really good. So they definitely have made improvements to the interior of these cars, especially over my model. But I'm not sure if it's enough, guys. I'm not sure if it's enough. Let me know in the comment section below. Has it been enough to compete with all of these other cars that, are kind of just coming out with new stuff, new technology? And why haven't they put the 2-liter in this car yet? I don't know. So in the back of the STI here, we have the standard big wing that STIs are always known for, so at least they still give you that. On the bottom here, you got a nice little diffuser with the quad exhaust tips that they usually come with. The back of the new STI, it does look good. I wish they could do something maybe cooler with the taillights, similar to what the other brands have done. These are a little bit basic. They're not bad, they're okay, but to me they're a little bit basic. Around the side here, you can see that this one does have kind of the wide body fenders. It's not as pronounced as the 11 through 14 model year, but it still does have those wide bulging fenders, as well as it does have these nice 19-inch wheels. I do like the green calipers that these come with. It does set the whole wheel apart. The wheel design is nice. They have a tendency to put ugly wheels on the WRX, but STIs are usually pretty good. So in the front here is pretty much the only update they did to the front was this front grille part here. This whole section here is new with the bottom. It's kind of like a fake, I don't know if you guys can really see the pattern on. It's kind of like almost like a fake carbon fiber. Up close, it really doesn't look good, but from far away, it looks pretty good. It does make the front end a little bit more aggressive than the previous models. So that's good. It also does have the nice side vents there, which do let in a little bit of air. The headlights are really cool. The grille, not too much of a fan. I'm still torn whether, these modified, I like them a lot. These stock, they're okay. Continuing on the side, it's funny because this part here, I feel like I have the same exact thing on my Subaru, same logo, same little vent, so that's kind of funny that they've kept kind of that same exact thing, even throughout all of these years on these brand new STIs. Now this one is for sale here at Reeves Motorsports for a cool 38 grand. So that's about what you're looking at to get into and this one is used. This is not new, it's used. So you have to consider these do hold their value pretty well. So there is that. The other question you have to pose is, has Subaru kind of dropped the ball kind of just with this motor, with this design, have they gotten lazy with this STI? Let me know in the comment section below what you think of that. So what do you guys think of this 2018 STI? Is it something that you would buy? I know I have a lot of Subaru lovers on my page, and I'm kind of one of them, so yeah. I mean, I do like the STI, but as you guys have seen in my other videos, I don't know, I could never buy a car that they've been using the same motor since pretty much 2007. So that's the big beef with this car. That's gonna do it for this quick look, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Throw this video a subscribe, makes no sense at all, but you probably should subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate all of that. Leave a comment below what you think of it, and that's gonna do it, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.